trouble is ahead. To the Catmobile. What seems to be the problem, ma'am? Yeah, my dog won't sit. I've been online all night trying to figure out how to get my dog to sit, and it won't sit. I just don't understand. Your dog won't sit? So you mean to tell me you called me all the way over here because your dog won't sit? Yeah? Is there a problem, cat lady? All right, where's your dog? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, here she is, my prize pooch Madonna. Please be gentle with her. Run along, Madonna. Sit. Wow, for a cat lady, you sure are good with dogs. Come here, Madonna. Madonna. Madonna! 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 Woo! Go Madonna! My glasses. Is that all you needed, ma'am? Yep, that's all I needed. Thank you so much, Caddie. Good, because I'm done with this superhero for today. I'm Caddie, one of the hottest superheroes out here. Self-proclaimed, of course. People don't know about me, but they will soon find out how good I am at fighting these crimes. I will earn the respect in these streets with my quick, shift kicks and punches. I can't believe that woman earlier in her stupid glasses calling me all the way over there to help her and her dog sit. Anyways, back to the cat cave.
You know it's hard out here for a cat when you tryna get the money for the litter, and you ain't get respect in the streets. You have a whole lot of people talking shit. You know it's hard out here for a cat when you tryna get this money for the litter. Have a whole lot of people talking shit. Meow, 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 meow.
Enough with this. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna be the best superhero there is.
Let's see here. Superhero promotion. Alright. Here we go. Nope. BROMO. There we go. Got it. Meow, 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 meow.
It's 2024. You think they'd have some type of superhero promotion? Can't find anything on being a superhero.
Let me at least look at my name, see if I made any headlines or anything. You know I'm the talk of the town sometimes. What? What the hell is this? All I have is a definition of a cat. I've never carried any bags for a golfer. This is absurd. Let's see how these oldies used to do it. They must have some knowledge.
Hello?
Hey, is this Caddie?
Yes, this is her. Wait a minute. How did you get my personal number? You're supposed to use the light when there's an emergency.
That's besides the point. Just get down here. We got problems. We need your help, Caddie. You're the only one who can help us.
I'm on my way.